How to use ClickUp AI for beginners. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your workspace and then simply click on Ask AI at the top. And as you can see here on the right side, you're gonna have this AI assistant, and as you can see, you can ask them different things. So as you can see, they suggest you ask about your task, ideas for writing. So if you want, you can generate a template. So let's go back here and then click on generate template. And as you can see, template type. So let's say bug report. Then here you can change the tone of voice. So let's go with professional, and creativity I'm gonna go with high. Then simply click on generate, and then all you have to do is simply wait until the AI will generate you this template, as you can see. And basically you can ask them whatever you want about your task. So if you want, you can create multiple tasks at once. All you have to do is simply tell the AI what to do next. So as you can see, it still generates the template for us. So I'm gonna stop this and I'm gonna go back here, and as you can see here, you have these options here. So if you want, you can click on view more. As you can see, what tasks are popular, what are my overdue tasks, which tasks are coming up next. So you can see and you can get help from this AI, and basically this will help you with your task, and this is gonna help you complete your task faster. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.